Now we're going to replace the cartridge to the shower valve. But it's important that we line it up right. Right now it's out of focus. You really can't see it, but there's a H and a C on here, which will go to the top of the valve itself. And the H, of course, is for hot, and the C is for cold, so that we know the position of the cartridge. And again, it's important that the H and the C is at the facing the top part of the shower valve. And now we have the cartridge going in, and we're going to just push it in a little further with the screwdriver so we can push it all the way back in place. And now that we do have it in place, we will take a, it's like a horseshoe pin that goes on the very top that holds the cartridge in. Kind of a horseshoe shape pin. You can see it right there. And we're going to push the cartridge back a little further to give us a little more room to get the retainer pin in there. Kind of guide the pin a little bit with the screwdriver here. Okay, now we have the retainer pin in position. The cartridge will not come out. Now, before we install the base of the shower, let's start by putting the part of the shower drain on the bottom part of the shower base. And again, what I like to do is first lay out my material before I start. This is the shower drain connector, and my preference is the brass connector. They do make it in plastic, but brass is a lot easier to work with and a lot more durable. This part here is the little key to turn it to tighten down on the rubber ring that you see in there. And the first thing we're going to do here is take our Plumbers Putty, mush it up where it's nice and tight, and kind of make a little rope out of it so that we can just wrap it right around the drain connector there, just like that, so that when we go to push down and pull down and tighten the adapter down, the putty will just squish out the side and make a nice, tight, and safe seal to the bottom of the shower drain.